Hey guys, this is Baby Show Fan, and today I'm going to do a review on the walking suitcases from Baby Newton and Discovering Shapes. And they are pretty rare. I am not the only BE enthusiast to have those. Mr. 10's Gaming and Reviews also have this as well, but he only has this one. In fact, you can get them for yourselves at buygaggifts.com. I'll leave a link down to the website in the description. And these suitcases, I have 2 yellow, 2 blue, and 1 pink. And you can wind them up. The other 4 work, but I don't have time to do it on this video for right now. But anyway, that's the walking suitcases. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out. Bye.